I'ma flex on my ex, flex on the hoe. You still be in my head, so I'ma let you know.
I like it. I'm just gonna record it with my hand. I mean, if I would have known I was gonna come this way, I would have brought my rig. How far did you go? The week. It's a gigantic fucking rocks. Fucking twist an ankle on this shit. Yeah, be careful.
Yeah, like these are all natural like rock.
Yeah, I know. I bet I have the same shit. It's like the same problem.
I guess it's like unbalanced.
I was like filming everything. This is freaking awesome. I like it.
It's the coolest thing. Love it.
We'll put this up on YouTube.
I think that you can go up if it's not too easy.
Seriously?
Yeah, because that leads straight to it, and then we can explore both.
No, I like this route. But can we continue going that way or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we can go back to that.
I like it though. Will we get in trouble? Is there a fee or do they pay? Or?
No, there's no. I don't know. There's no fee. Like I've always just walked up to it. Like I said, I've always come in the winter time.
Yeah.
But I don't think there's a fee or anything.
And I'd be like, sorry, you're not wearing the proper apparel. No shit, Sherlock. You got
like, yeah, we're just here to look at it and photograph. Yeah, so it's all right there in the middle. Yeah. You can get a better view from the higher up.
Oh. I can switch over to my shorts right now. Shit.
You can kind of smell the pine, like Christmas trees.
Yeah. What's it say? Watch. There's no lifeguard on duty. Let's check it out, guys. It says, please follow Jacob's World Natural Area rules. 1 through 11. Oh wait, 1 through 12.
All UAVs. Enemy UAV inbound.
UAV's inbound. Oh shit. This thing is crazy. Careful, Drew. I mean, Bapu. Damn, imagine it falling in there. Oh shit. It's all rock.
Yeah. Don't.
No, I'm not gonna fucking fall like that.
All I can say is don't fall.
This is cool.
Check it out so you can see the actual hole.
Oh, damn. That's it. It's cool. It's dope.
Yeah, it's kind of neat because the well, like the one step, leads to like an underground like tunnel system that's underwater, obviously. But,
This is nice.
right?
I wouldn't even mind coming here to just like it's a good pool, bro.
We can go back and then up.
You wanna do that? Go back and up? It's cool. It's cool.